What's up YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about dirty hair. And let's get right into the video. So I've seen so much hype going on the internet about, is shampooing your hair good for it or is it bad for it, or how often should you wash your hair? So let's just take this example of this mannequin who I just randomly picked up from the back with where all my other mannequin heads are, and this one definitely is loaded with some product. It's definitely a good representation of what 3 or 4 day hair is like. It's a bit greasy, a bit dirty. And what can you do from this stage? If you're really not into washing your hair, you want to really create some longevity in your hairstyle, here's some tips that I would suggest to help you guys. So first things first is you're going to need some sort of dry shampoo. All right, this is my product Dust. All right, this is the travel size one. It's a dry shampoo. What that is going to do, and what most dry shampoos are designed to do, is basically suck up the oils and the residue and the dirt and all that stuff from your hair, so that it actually removes that oily feeling, that greasy feeling, and makes it feel a bit more normal, okay? It also decreases some of the shine, and it makes your hair look like it's a bit more fresh, as compared to 3 or 4 days old, it's starting to look a bit greasy and dirty. So what you do is you shake this up, and what I like to do is go section by section, and you're gonna be spraying it kind of right on the root area. And you want to do it section by section, and feel free to kind of lift the hair. You can even get down here, and you want to make sure you're getting good coverage throughout the entire head, because the entire head is a bit on the filthier side. Okay, don't be afraid to get in there with this. You don't want to overdo it, but at the same time you want to start to just make sure you're gonna be able to feel it in your hands if it's enough. And as of right now, I'm saying to myself, all right, you know what? This feels pretty good. I don't want the hair to become too kind of loaded with dry shampoo. But as you can see already, what's happening is it's removing some of that shine. It's soaking up the oils, soaking up that residue. And then lastly, let's just go in throughout the ends here, because this is where we're just focused on the scalp area. And just hit it a couple times like that. And let's zoom in a bit closer to kind of see the difference. Okay, so as you can see now, even just running my fingers through it and looking at it even from a distance, you can see that the amount of shine has decreased tremendously. It looks like it's freshly done. And what I like to do is I like to just kind of work my hands through it like this, all right, to make sure the dry shampoo kind of gets really worked in evenly. So it's soaking up the oils throughout the entire head. And it's kind of like, imagine you're giving yourself kind of a little bit of a scalp massage. Right? And now also, depending on how you want to wear your hair, this could actually create some good volume. I've been told that Dust, the dry shampoo in my line, actually creates a bit of volume. That is what my intention was, and that's what's great about this product, is that it does give a bit of volume, and it doesn't leave residue compared to some other dry shampoos where it leaves a lot of residue. All right, so the great thing about it is it's a working kind of dry shampoo as well, so it does have some styling capabilities. You may not even need anything else, all right? So I think we may be good to go. A lot of times people say, oh, could I just wet my hair, or could I just put conditioner in it? Just keep in mind, whatever you're doing, if you're just adding water to it, yes, and after all the years and years that I've actually washed hair, and I've washed some really disgusting, filthy hair, it does actually, rinse away the outer layer, the coating of what's on there. To me, it's like if you're gonna wet your hair down, you might as well just wash it. And if you're just gonna add conditioner to it, that may potentially just weigh it down a bit. So you're better off using something like a 25 spray or leave-in spray as opposed to just adding more conditioner to it, which is just adding more on top of what's already there. So just think of it as how many layers do you have on your hair, how many layers of products, right? And if you really think back, wow, I use this, I use that, I use 4 or 5 different products on my hair. That's all sitting on your hair. So rinsing it, it may rinse out some of it, but it's not going to fully kind of cleanse it. What is this hairstyle? I want this hairstyle haircut tutorial right now. Well, let's take a little bit of a closer look at this. I did this quite some time ago. It looks like the back here is probably about a number, I'd say 3 guard, 3.5, and I worked this all the way up to about where it's about 1/2 inch and then 1 inch in through here. And then everything is just really blended on both sides. So as you can see here, it's a nice haircut. This is all connected going from shorter to longer. This is about 3 inches, 3.5 inches, and this is probably about 4 inches right in the very, very front. So it's a nice progressive, shorter to longer haircut and hairstyle. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.